I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Brooke.
And for our pre-cal final project, we decided to make a death ray using a satellite dish.
A satellite dish is an infinite number of parabolas, but there are two, the cross sections of the satellite dish that and together they have the same focus, and at that focus, if you put reflective tape on the satellite dish, all the light will reflect to that focus and you can set things on fire.
So here's the math.
Our satellite dish. What we're going to do to figure out the focus, you're going to measure like this way, because this is one parabola and this way is the other parabola. So when you do this, so I have one arm here, it ends up being 33 3/8. So that's the length. And for this one, it ends up being 24 inches.
So then you also have to measure the height, and what we did is we took a straight hard surface like a meter stick and we held it across, and we held a loose rope to measure the height, and it came out to be about
1 5/8 for this way, those 24 inches, and 3 1/8 for this way, which was 33 5/8.
So now we'll show you the graphs that we plotted with the data and measurements we took from the satellite dish.
The equation of a parabola is parentheses x minus h parentheses squared equals 4p parentheses y minus k. The vertex of our parabola is 0, 0. And if we insert the vertex into it, we get x squared equals 4py. The points, which we figured out from our measurements, are 12 13/8 and negative 12 13/8, which are the points that our parabola is going to go through. We do some math, and eventually you will get to what p equals. The equation for the focus is h, k plus p. H is 0, k is 0, so when you add your p, you get your focus. The second equation, you do the exact same thing until you get down to p equals 22.6128. The first focus was 22.1538. At the end, you figure it out, and you have your two focuses of your parabolas. This is the graph of the bigger one. The equation is y equals x squared divided by 90.45125. The next graph you're going to see is the shorter one, and this has the equation of y equals x squared divided by 88.6154.
Alright, here we are with our death ray, and we're going to use the sun, and we're going to light the black paper on fire because it's going to absorb the most heat, and we put it on foil just so we don't set the deck on fire. So you take it and you use it and angle the light so that it focuses on the paper. So you hold it there until enough heat is focused on the paper and it sets on fire.
On me. Just to prove Curry wrong when he told us we could not do a marshmallow, we decided to do it.
And there you have a death ray to set stuff on fire.